Hello class, today I will be discussing the life and legacy of mathematician Robert Ricordi. At a young age, we are taught our alphabet, shapes, and numbers, and in many cases, parents and caregivers are also teaching their toddlers mathematical techniques and equations. But has anyone ever wondered where the plus and minus sign came from? Or what about the equal sign and its significance? These signs have shaped the way we have learned math, how we communicate as people, manage our finances, and ultimately how we live our daily lives and survive in this world. Without these signs, where would we be now? Today I will discuss the life of Robert Ricordi and his introduction of the plus and minus sign to the English language, as well as his creation of the equal sign. Robert Ricordi was born to Thomas Ricordi and Rose Jones in Tenby, Wales. His exact birth year is still unknown, but it is expected to be around the year of 1510. He is best known for being a Tudor mathematician who invented the equal sign, and is also known for his mathematical publications, such as introducing the plus and equal sign to the English language, as well as his work as a physician. Robert Ricordi lived between the late Middle Ages, early Renaissance, and early modern period, which created a great significance in his work and his writings. He attended the University of Oxford and graduated with a BA. After receiving his BA, Robert Ricordi attended a Fellow of All Souls College, which was a college that provided the study of church music, as well as the study of theology, law, and medicine. Later in life, Robert Ricordi finished his education with an MD in medicine. He later moved to London, where he then practiced medicine. With that said, from Robert Ricordi's time in London, he became acquainted with royalty and was appointed as General Surveyor in charge of all financial strategies for the king. Robert Ricordi wrote many books, transferring equations and logic into the English language, as well as creating new mathematical signs and/or equations. In addition, The Grande of Artes was one of his first books that were published in English. This text introduced symbols such as the plus and minus sign. Another book that is of great significance is Whetstone of Wit. In this book, Robert Ricordi is recognized for developing the equal sign. Lastly, Robert Ricordi stated that he chose two long parallel signs because nothing can be more equal. In conclusion, an interesting end to Robert Ricordi's life is that he died in King Bench Prison, where he was imprisoned on the conviction of debt. Lastly, it is safe to say that without the mathematical work of Robert Ricordi, we as a society may have never developed our mathematical language into where we are now, or perhaps we would have not achieved such an enhanced mathematical language as early as we did without Robert Ricordi. Thank you.